Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about real-time use of summarize function. Okay, summarize is a very important function and we use a lot in the real-time project. So let's talk about it. So what summarize returns? Summarize returns a summary table for the requested totals over a set of groups. Okay, so here you can see the how summarize works. First of all, it returns a table, then group by column, again group by column, how much you can give, some group by columns you want to give, then give, then the name of the uh, return column. Okay, then the expression. Okay, whatever you want to give. So here you can see this is our data. Okay, this is our data orders table, and for this tutorial I have created a desk calculation. It is a calculated table. Okay, this is a table. So whatever I have done, that is, here you can see filter, summarize, again filter. So what is happening here? You can see filter. What filter function does? Filter function returns a filtered table. Okay, okay. So for this filter, then again what is returning first expression is table. It is taking a table. So instead of table we can create a table, right? We can create a table. So how we are creating table? We are creating a table by summarize function. So you know that summarize function returns a summary table, right? So after filter function we are creating a table with summarize function. Then what summarize function has expression? Here you can see summarize function also first it takes a table. So instead of table we can create another table with filter function, right? So summarize, then again we are taking a table. So this is the table. So what is happening in this table? In this table we are filtering out from the orders table country, and it is filtering USA and Canada. From the countries column it is filtering USA and Canada. And what will be the orders category? Orders category will be office supplies. Okay, so this is creating a table. Okay, in summarize function this is creating a filtered table with USA and Canada, and orders category will be office supplies. This is a filtered table. Then first expression of summarize function is gone. Okay, then what is the second expression? Here you can see group by column name. Then what will be the group by? Group by will be orders according to orders of ship date and orders of the city. So this filter will be grouped by orders date and city. Okay, so what will be the uh, then the expression? So expression will be I want, from the group by I want count of product name. Okay, this is the expression. And what will be the newly created column name? I have created a column name like count of orders. Okay, so summarize function is done. Here summarize function is done. We have created a table of summarize function in filter. Then filter second expression of filter is starting. So what is the expression? Expression is here. So it is taking, what it is filtering, from this table. From this table it is filtering count of orders. Here we are creating count of orders, product name. So from this table it is filtering count of orders where count of orders is greater than 2. Okay, So this is the table we are creating. This is the table of we are creating. Okay, so if we see the table, okay, so it is grouped by order, ship date you can see, and city, grouped by city, and where the count of orders is greater than 2, you can see. So there is only 26 rows. Okay, so what is happening again, we can repeat. We are filtering the data. On the filtering data, we are creating a table. We are creating a table in the filter function by summarize function. So in summarize function also, summarize function creates, returns a table of grouped by something, right? So in the summarize table, we are creating another table because first summarize function takes a table. So how we are creating table? We are creating table by filter function. So what filter function is doing? Filter function returning a table, returning a filtered table of countries which are in USA and Canada, and orders category is office supplies. It is creating a table. Okay, but on the second expression of summarize function, we are grouping by this table with with ship date and city. Then we are counting the product name, where counting the product name and giving the column name as count of orders. Okay, then summarize function is done. Here summarize function is done, and again filter expression is starting here. So what is counting, what is the expression? This expression is counting from this table. It is counting, it is returning only the orders, it is returning only the orders where count of orders is greater than 2. Okay, so like this we create DAX measures in real-time projects. Okay, so this is the output. So I think this is for the day. So if you like my videos, please like it. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, support to my channel, subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.